In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your crypto from Binance to another wallet. If you're new to this process or just need a refresher, you're in the right place. Let's get started by heading over to Binance's website. When you log in, you'll be on your dashboard. This is where you'll see all the necessary features related to your profile, including your balance overview. Next, you'll want to click on the Withdraw button. Doing so will direct you to the withdrawal page, where you can initiate the process of transferring your cryptocurrency. Once you're on the withdrawal page, it's crucial to select the correct cryptocurrency that you intend to send. For illustration purposes today, let's say we're transferring USDT. Ensure you choose it from your list of assets in your Binance account. Once you've picked the cryptocurrency, the next step is to select the appropriate network. This is a highly important step because each network works differently, and choosing incorrectly can lead to a failed transaction or even loss of funds. In our example, I'll choose BSC, but always make sure that the network you select is compatible with the recipient's wallet. After deciding on the network, it's now time to paste the recipient wallet address. This is the destination where you want to send your crypto. A tip here is to always double-check this address meticulously. Any mistakes here could lead to your assets being irretrievably sent to the wrong place. Having successfully entered the correct wallet address, move on to the Withdraw Amount section. Here, you'll enter the total you wish to send. It's advisable to double-check this amount too, just to avoid any unintentional errors. Once you're certain everything is accurate, from the wallet address to the amount and the network, you'll click on Withdraw to finalize your transaction. But do note, Binance often requires additional security verification steps at this juncture. They'll likely ask for confirmation either through your email or a security code. This layer of scrutiny is to make sure the transaction is legitimately authorized by you. Complete these verification steps as they come up. Once everything is confirmed and the transaction is processed on Binance's end, your cryptocurrency will be on its way to the chosen wallet. And that's it. You've successfully transferred your crypto from Binance to another wallet. Remember, while this procedure is straightforward, accuracy on every step will ensure an error-free transaction. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.